In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken or cracked ice maker chute plate in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new chute plate, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To gain access, we need to remove the ice bin. To remove the ice bin, open the ice bucket cover by pressing the locking tab up, then insert your fingers into the opening, pull the latch towards you, and lift up. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove these 4 screws holding the ice chute plate in place. Now, remove the plate by pulling on the 2 prongs. This may require some force. When shopping for a new chute plate, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Install the chute plate by aligning and reinstalling the screws. Next, install the ice bin by opening the cover, aligning the bin in the opening, and setting in place. It will make an audible click when locked back in place. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.